Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use your Insta360 camera creatively on a motorbike, and I'll show you the ways I mount my 360 on my bike and to get some awesome shots. If you are following me, you must probably know what type of shots I record usually. So come over, I'll just show you. So first of all, this is Insta360 X3. I know the newer version X4 is out, but this does all the job which I need, and the type of content which I create is perfectly fine for me. So it do not have major upgrade on the camera, so I'm happy with this. So just to give you some more context of what all accessories I use, first thing I'll show you. Uh, First thing you need is camera. Second thing you need is stick. And third thing, if you are on a bike, obviously you need a bike for sure. And if this clamp mount you need. So basically, what does this do? You can mount your camera. Just loosen it a bit, and I just usually put this stick here. Yeah, I just put this and I mount the camera here. So first shot which I take, what I do, I just mount this stick this way, and then I mount my 360 here. I'll attach the clips as well, what type of shots I'm getting using this. So this is the first way which I mount. So when I ride, right, how it goes, like when I ride, let's start off. So this way I get the full view of my bike and myself as well. So this is very creative way to mount the camera, and you'll get the like POV shot. Someone like you'll get the shot like someone is recording for you. And just in case you want to hear the sound of my bike, here it is. Don't worry, it's completely stock. So this is how it's gonna be. Wondering what is this? So basically, this is audio jack for the Insta360, and I just use this way, and I have a mic here, so which records the bike's exhaust note when I ride. Because if I don't use this, right, all the wind will pass through it, and you'll just get to hear the wind noise, nothing else. So that's how it works. So the next way to mount this camera to get a creative shot is that you don't need the stick in this. What you need this clamp. I know I'm talking about a lot of clamps here, because now in order to create content, you need a lot of clamps. So you just mount your camera here like this. This way, I don't have this connector right now. So this way, you'll get your view plus the bike's front view. So it's like two-way of the seat. Third shot, you need a stick and you need a clamp as well. So what I do in the third shot is I put the clamp here, and I have the stick, the actual Insta360 stick, which can be extended. So this is a different stick basically. So that stick you mount here with a clamp, and it goes like this. The camera will go like this. So you'll get this kind of POV shot again from the back. What we call is the GTA view. So these are the three creative ways, and I think that's pretty much for this video. If you need more insights on how I mount and how I record my motovlog cameras, like motovlogging content through different cameras, let me know. And before you go, I'll just give you a bonus thing. This is how I record the POV shots of my bike riding through GoPro 12 on my iPhone.